Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hey, I'm Urmi. Welcome to my channel. How's your Diwali preparation going on? Let me know in the comment section below. So in this video I will show you how I created this beautiful Diwali makeup. This is so easy to achieve and yet look really gorgeous. And also I'm gonna try some of the products from Manish Malhotra Beauty by My Glam. So it's gonna be first impression video as well. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. I've done my base makeup off camera, so I'll directly start with my eyes. I'm gonna try two products from Manish Malhotra Beauty. Let's start with the eyeshadow palette. This is how the outer packaging looks. It is made up of black cardboard and it has this rose gold detailing on it. And this is how the palette looks like. Again, it is black and it has rose gold detailing on it. It is written Manish Malhotra here, which is looking really classy, and here it's written My Glam. And this is how it looks like when you open the palette. It has mirror in it and it has written Manish Malhotra. Honestly, this is looking so stunning. And here are all the 9 shades. It has 3 matte shades and other are the mixture of pearl, metallics and sparkles. Let's quickly jump onto the tutorial. First I'll take this matte brown shade as my transition shade and I'll apply it in my outer V and in my crease. And look how pigmented it is. For my eyelid, I'll pick this olive shade. It has golden sparkles in it. I'll take it with the brush and this is how it picked up by the brush. It looks pretty pigmented. Not every shimmer shade works good with brush, but this shade, it is giving that perfect color payoff with the brush. Now I'll pick this shimmery shade and I'll highlight my inner corner. I did my other eye off camera. Now I'll apply same shades in my lower lash line. Now with the help of kajal, I'll line my upper and lower waterline. And then I'll coat my lashes with mascara and off camera I'll apply falsies. Now it's time to try the lipstick. It has same black cardboard packaging with rose gold detailing, and when you open it, it has Manish Malhotra written on the one side and on the other side it has written My Glam. And here is the shade name. I have the shade Vintage Wine. And here is our lipstick. Look at that shade. It is that perfect festive color. Now I'll swatch it on my hand. And this is how it looks. Now I'll apply it on my lips and look how creamy and pigmented it is. I think this is looking really gorgeous. It is definitely giving me that Manish Malhotra vibe. And here is the completed look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And that's it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful and like this look, and if you did, do not forget to hit that like button, comment down below and share this video. I will not review these two products in this video. I will upload a separate video on it, so make sure you hit that notification bell before leaving and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.